You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with linear inequalities with one unknown. The final result is x smaller than -12. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Group the coefficients. Find the lowest common denominator. Multiply the denominators. Multiply the numerators. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Group all x terms on the left side of the inequality. Subtract x from both sides. Group the coefficients. Convert the integer into a fraction. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the x. Multiply both sides by inverse fraction 6/5. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the fraction. Multiply the fractions. Simplify the arithmetic. Plot the solution on a coordinate grid. And so the final result is x smaller than -12.